name is Joani Pemberton with Simply Vegas, and we are in the Horizon Light neighborhood or subdivision, I should say, in Henderson in the 89012 zip code. And we're in a Blue Heron home. Blue Heron is a custom builder, but this is more or less a semi-custom home because the subdivision is all Blue Heron homes, and this is a jade model. And so in this lovely courtyard, we have, starting with the river rock, we have the pygmy date palms, the 2 sago palms, which are very charming, and they look well maintained. And it has this cute waterfall as well as fire pit on top, okay? And it's tiled in the main entrance to the courtyard. We have, over here, we're gonna have a junior master downstairs that has its own entryway into the courtyard, as well as the living room has its own sliding glass door into the courtyard. And let me point out too that this is actually the entry door. This is the entry door coming into the home, and you come into this lovely courtyard. So let's take a look on inside. Okay, coming into the entryway through these double doors, we have this entryway. It has a stairway in front of us, and it has about a 30-foot ceiling, approximately 30 feet. And the tile here is about 10 by 20, light beige color. So the theme of this color scheme is the beige tones. In the living room, again, we have a sliding glass door that goes out into the courtyard. And with these nice tall windows, fireplace underneath where the television resides. And we have a sliding glass door here that goes out into the backyard. So this has a strip view. You can see it downstairs, as well as the city lights, and the view is really good upstairs. So this also has a sliding glass door in the dining area, right here. Kitchen has a nice size island that is quartz countertop. It has nice backsplash, glass backsplash that has a gray tones. The appliances are KitchenAid, so we have a KitchenAid double oven here. We have the cooktop hood, microwave oven over here, dishwasher, refrigerator, wine refrigerator, and a KitchenAid refrigerator and freezer combination. So we're going to go to the junior master that's downstairs. So the junior master downstairs has its own sliding glass door that goes out into the patio. It has this beige tone tile-like planks, wood-like planks, I should say, tiled wood-like planks. In the master junior bathroom, we have the water closet, nice sized bathtub, frameless glass shower that's tiled, dual sinks, cabinetry, floating cabinetry where you can put a light underneath it. It looks very nice. And we have a walk-in closet. We have this small smart closet here that has some electronics in it. coat closet. And half bath with the under-mounted sink. And again, quartz countertop. Looks like all of the bathrooms have these floating cabinets. Next, we're going to take a look at the garage over here. We have a double car garage that has a water conditioning system already in. It has 2 tankless water heaters and a door that goes to the outside where the pool equipment is. A little storage area too. This is a resale house that still has some personal belongings of the people that live here. Right outside of the garage, we have this nice big closet here. Coat closet. The storage area too. In the laundry room, some cabinets with quartz countertops. We have an undermounted sink, stainless steel. It's a nice size, and we also have this storage area closet. On the way to the backyard, and we're going to go through this door that takes you to the utility room. There is a 3/4 bath. It has a tiled shower and a quartz countertop, under-mounted sink, loading cabinet. To the outside, this is nicely landscaped. It has river rock, as well as these pygmy date palms and these plants that resemble bamboo. We also have a fire pit in front of you. Right behind you, we have a spiral staircase that goes up to the master balcony. Built-in barbecue with a refrigerator. This has a very slim pool. I'd say 3 feet wide, 30 feet long. It's really a swim pool. At the other end of the pool, we have this little sitting area. And the backyard, if you walk over here, back to the front of the house, again, we have these pygmy date palms, these yew pines. This is really landscaped nicely, looks well manicured with the river rock, and it takes you to the front door. Next, we'll go upstairs. So this staircase is pretty nice. It has wood and steel railing. The staircase itself is engineered wood, walnut color. And when you first come upstairs, it opens up into this large loft area that has a sliding glass door onto the balcony that has a strip view. Pretty nice up here. clear story windows. And again, it's all open to the downstairs family room. And over here, this opens up into the entryway. We have 2 bedrooms in the front of the house that share this 3/4 bath that has dual sinks, floating cabinetry, undermounted sinks, and it has a nice tile shower. The third bedroom, or I guess it's the second bedroom, sorry, upstairs, is 15 by 16. It has its own balcony in the front of the house. And a walk-in closet. And the third bedroom up here has a walled closet, which is the length of the room. And this room is 12 by 16. There's an air conditioning unit up here. There are 2 air conditioners. They both appear to be about 5'10" downstairs. And there's a linen closet. And the last bedroom up here is the master. It does have a sliding glass door out to the balcony that has a strip view. And the master is 16 by 19. And the master bath has this, again, soft tile in beige tone that resembles wood, but it's tile. It has a walk-in closet. Frameless tiled shower. Water closet. So this concludes our tour of this Blue Heron home. If you have any interest in this home or any of the other homes in Henderson or Las Vegas, please feel free to contact me with my information below, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, press the notification bell. Thank you.